Model 2020 Citroen Relay 35 L3h2 Enterprise Blue 2.2 HDIS S starts runs needs turbo no VAT. Body white panel van. Mileage 115579. Engine 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward, simple turbo replacement job. Engine is perfect, no VAT, absolute bargain, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, sat nav, 2 keys, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6.